Thank you. Did it work? I didn't know that chocolate was right. Yeah, it was nice. No worries.
Guys, let's get close. Okay, thank you. Not me.
Guys, if we can do a bit more of what we did on the other side, and just give it a bit more room.
Put your phone down, lady.
The meet and greet continues. There is a lady with quite a nice crown there, and we even saw Trudy. We saw an alpaca. Couldn't believe that.
I can give you the backstory of that alpaca. His name is Hephner, and he's in line with his owner, Robert Fletcher, and he was sporting a sparkly gold crown and a bow tie with a blue velvet suit, and apparently he was on his best behaviour, although it looked like the king was a little worried he might spit at him. I mean, you can't really control what an alpaca's going to do. I'm glad he got it to the front. He was seen on camera before the king had got there, but yeah, managed to get it through security.
Oh my goodness!
Your pet alpaca. There you go.
Seen it all now, and I think the alpaca will be happy to get out of that crowd just quietly. But here we go. Some nice words. Let's have a listen in and see if we can pick something up. The camera looks like they've got a good spot there.
Have you travelled from far? Melbourne. Good for you, though.
I'm trying to get his bald head in the bloody picture.
Hydro. Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, ladies, for coming.
Yes, the meet and greet there, and that gentleman behind with the UK suit.
Would you be custom suit, you'd have to imagine? That sort of
that was
get-up?
fantastic in the crown. He had the UK
a very passionate monarchist, I would presume. The Union Jack all over. Little crown, as you can see.
What was his name? Albert.
Albert, I think he said it was. He didn't get much of a chat, but maybe wins costume of the day.